All right, this time we're going to actually play music. So if I have clicked on a song, I want to set this player to that song. So how do I want to do this? I think what I can do is I can click on a song. So I want to get the mouse up of the song. So on mouse up. So on mouse up, I want to put the, let's do this. Let's go over to artists, no, albums, and copy these 2 lines, these 4 lines of code. Put them right there. Copy these 2. Put them right there. Oops. Then the highlighted line of me to the selected song. Alright, then go back to albums and grab this line. And do a / again, and then the selected song into the song path. Good. Okay, so now I have the song path. I'm going to answer the song path just to make sure I did this all correctly. So I have Doc Watson, best of Doc Watson, and there we go. So it gives the path all the way to the folder plus the song itself. That should be a valid thing to set here. Now I'm going to set something, set the file name of, what is this called? Right here. This is called player music. Of player music to the song path. So when I click here, let's go back to here and lock this so it doesn't go away. Okay, so you see how it when I clicked here, it set the source, which if you hover over the source, it's actually a property called file name. So I set the file name to that path. And whatever this player's source or file name is set to, it's going to play. So if I click on the play button here, plays that song. If I click on Rising Sun Blues, you see how it changed there. Alright, so we got it. Dill Pickle Rag. Go over to Doyle Lawson. Click on I Am Coming to Heaven, the MP3.
I've started to a land where there's everlasting joy.
Yeah. Alright, so it works. Our player is now working. But we don't want to have to click the button on the player. We want to use our own buttons here. So now we're going to work with play and stop. Alright, so if I've already clicked on a song, I can say play and it should play that song. By clicking on the song itself, I'm setting the file name here. Playing is just simply going to send a message to the player to start playing. So let's here play, go to code for play. I had already written some code earlier. I changed my way of doing things. I had a come to live code moment. Here we go. Start, I think it's start player music. think that's all it is. So let's try it. There you go. Okay, so I clicked a new song and it reset the file name and it stopped automatically. All right, so now I want to go to stop and edit this code. On mouse up, I want to stop player music. So I could say play,
I could not do
stop, play,
without
stop.
my sake.
Good. Okay, now skip forward. I want to skip to the next song. That shouldn't be too difficult to do. Let's try it. Let's do a skip forward. On mouse up. Let's see here. Let's put the number of lines in field songs into num of songs variable. Put the highlighted line of field songs into the selected song. So both of those are going to be numbers, correct? What I want to see, I want to see here. I'm going to click the last one. And then I want to answer num of songs and I'm just going to say tab and the selected song. I just want to see what's going to happen here. If I click that, 14 and 4, there's 14 lines and I'm selected 14. If I go here, there's 14 lines, I'm on number 11. So that gives me the information I need. If the selected song is not, actually is less than number of songs. In other words, I'm not on the last song. Then, if I'm on the last song, I can't skip forward. There's no other song to skip forward to. I could in time. Well, we'll do that in a minute. So, right now, there's nothing to skip forward to. I need to add 1 to the selected song, right? And then I need to set the highlighted line of field songs to the selected song. And then I need to send mouse up to field songs. Then I need to start, because remember when we changed the file name, when I sent mouse up, I should put that in quotes, I guess. When I send mouse up to field songs, after I change this, it's going to reset the file name, which is automatically going to stop the music. So I want to start the player again, right? So let's try this. If I click here and say play, and I say skip forward, there we go. Skip forward. Skip forward. If I skip forward, it's not going to work because I'm at the last song. So what we can do is we can just say else put 1 into the selected song, right? And then I need to do all of this again down here. So now when I skip forward, it's going to go back to song number 1. So I can just skip through.
I could. I've started. What? We're floating there. Oh well, this fine. Well, I'm a.
Pretty good. Now let's copy all of this code and do the skip back. Alright, so let's go code for skip back and paste it there. But instead of adding 1, I want to subtract 1 from the selected song. And else, let's see here. So this has to be different. Now, if selected song is greater than 1, right? Greater than 1. I want to subtract 1 from the selected song. If it isn't greater, if it is 1, I want to put number of songs. You're just going backwards here. Into the selected song, do all the same things. So let's try it. If I go back, it's going to go to the end and work its way up. I love it. Stop. So we got all of these working now. Now what we can do is we can go here and just make this thing not visible. So let's go to Doc Watson, play Muskrat. Okay, there's one other thing when this is done playing. We'll leave it at that right now. I'll do that. I'll deal with that in another video. But at least you can play songs and you can skip through them with our buttons here. And again, you can build your own, play icons for these buttons here, and you can make this look however you want it to look. And now you have a music player. Alright, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm going to save this, and that'll be the end.